No, there's something out there in the yard. I gotta set these settings. What in the world? Let's get Turco. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What in the world is that thing? That's like a bigger. Oh no, it's some sort of alligator with a shell. It's an alligator with a shell in the yard. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's got eyes. It's got eyes and like a shell on its body. It's one of them conspiracy alligators. I done got out the lab. It's coming out the lab. It's coming out the lab. It's gonna eat my cows. Oh my goodness! It's come out the lab. It's gonna eat my cows. It's like it came out of the dirt and it was formed halfway by God, and then God dropped His horror on us. No.